What is your name?
My name is Emma.
How old are you?
Oh, I am 11 years old.
Where are you from?
Well, I am from Canada.
What do you like to do?
I like drawing and reading.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I do. I have one brother.
What is your favorite color?
Wow, my favorite color is blue.
What is your favorite food?
I love pizza very much.
What is your favorite animal?
Oh, my favorite animal is a dolphin.
What grade are you in?
Well, I am in 5th grade.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, I enjoy reading books.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is science.
Do you play any sports?
Great! I play badminton after school.
What do you do after school?
I do my homework and play.
Do you like music?
Oh, yes, I love listening to music.
Can you sing?
Well, I can sing a little.
What is your best friend's name?
My best friend's name is Lily.
Do you like cartoons?
Wow, I really like cartoons.
What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is spring.
Do you enjoy learning English?
Great! I enjoy learning English every day.
What is your dream job?
I want to be a teacher someday.
What time do you go to school?
I go to school at 8 o'clock.
Do you like your school?
Oh, yes, I like my school very much.
Who is your favorite teacher?
Well, my favorite teacher is Mrs. Brown.
What do you learn today?
Today I learned about animals.
Do you have many friends?
Yes, I have many good friends.
Where do you sit in class?
I sit near the window.
Do you enjoy math?
Great! I enjoy math lessons.
What do you do during recess?
Oh, I play games with my friends.
Do you bring lunch to school?
Yes, I bring lunch every day.
What is your favorite school activity?
Wow, my favorite activity is drawing.
Do you like group projects?
Well, yes, I like working together.
How do you go to school?
I go by school bus.
Do you use a computer at school?
Oh, yes, we use computers sometimes.
What book are you reading?
I am reading a storybook.
Do you like science class?
Great! Science is very interesting.
What do you do in art class?
I paint pictures and make crafts.
Is your classroom big?
Yes, my classroom is quite big.
Do you help your classmates?
Of course, I like helping others.
What is your favorite school day?
Wow, Friday is my favorite day.
Are you happy at school?
Yes, I am very happy at school.
Excuse me, may I see the menu?
Okay, yes, please. Thank you. What would you like to eat?
I would like some pasta.
Would you like a drink?
Oh, yes, I would like orange juice.
Do you like pizza?
Wow, I love pizza.
What is your favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert is chocolate cake.
Is the food delicious?
Yes, the food is very delicious.
Would you like some soup?
Well, a little soup sounds nice.
Do you eat vegetables?
Great, I eat vegetables every day.
What would you like for breakfast?
I would like pancakes.
Can I order now?
Okay, I'm ready to order.
Do you like ice cream?
Wow, I really like ice cream.
What flavor do you like?
Oh, my favorite flavor is strawberry.
Is the restaurant busy today?
Well, it looks a little busy.
Would you like some water?
Yes, please. I would like some water.
What are you eating?
I am eating chicken and rice.
Do you enjoy hamburgers?
Great. Hamburgers are very tasty.
Is your meal hot?
Ah, yes, my meal is hot.
Would you like another drink?
No, thank you. I am fine.
Are you full now?
Well, yes, I am full now.
Did you enjoy your meal?
Oh, yes, I enjoyed my meal very much.